Hi, Mrs. Ducharme here, and I want to talk with you just for a couple minutes about your assignment for today. You are going to be making an annotated bibliography, and so you have this document here in your Google Classroom, and you see there's the videos here that will help you get started. The annotated bibliography is a fantastic way for you and your supervisor to see what you have done so far and give you some direction about what you should do next. The purpose of the bibliography at this point is to list all of the sources that you've consulted that deal with your research question and to write a little bit about each one. So you want to have a balance here of the sources that you've looked at and the sources that you think you'll actually use. You may have looked at 20 different things, but maybe only 10 of them are probably going to be going forward and being useful to you. So choose the ones that you think will be the most useful. This is not the time to show that you've done hours and hours of work on things that are not relevant to you anymore. This is where you're going to show what you've done that will help you move forward. So on this page here, be sure to look at these different videos once I have them all linked up there. The citation guide will bring you to the guide on the library website. These two links here will give you the best tool for making citations. Remember, if you are using databases or PaperPile, those tools will give you the citations perfectly formatted already. So it's only if you're using websites that you really need to make your own citations, or maybe videos or interviews. So this is the best tool, I think, for making your own citations from scratch. When you're doing your annotated bibliography, each entry will have 3 parts. The first part will be the citation. The second part is just a quick summary of what the source is basically about. That gives you a reminder and also your supervisor an overview of what that source is there for. And the last part is the longer part, and that is about evaluating the source. So think critically about how could the source be useful, how reliable is it, how useful will it be, and are there some limitations to it. And I've included links to the OPVL and CRAP test model, and those can help you to think of some of the questions that you might want to ask yourself when you're looking at each of your sources. There are some good examples here, one from Purdue OWL, one from Cornell, that will give you a sense of the kind of writing that you might do about the source. We are not asking you to do perfect formatting for this task. So we're actually going to ask you to do your sources in a little table just to make it easier for yourself. So you don't need to worry about reverse indenting or any of that other formatting. That can all come later in your final stages. Okay, so you just copy these templates and, however many you have, you'll just put each one in its own little table. Alrighty, so I hope that you'll find this a useful way for you to move forward. It will give you and your supervisor a good starting point in terms of talking about what sources you have and what ones you will still need. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.